Hello guys, today we are going to be testing out antiviruses versus dangerous viruses. So, I have 4 antiviruses here, actually 3, this one just refuses to install because of my low space, so I'm going to uninstall these after. We're going to start off with the Clam1 antivirus. Now the thing is, which virus should we test against it? I think I'm going to do salinewin.exe. I also could do bonzify.exe, but I just want to do salinewin.exe. I don't know which ones this antivirus actually detects, so I don't exactly know what's going to happen here. This is a really weird UI, but we're going to go ahead and open the salinewin virus. Of course, I'm just going to scan that specific file, so actually no, let's scan the whole computer just because. So I can't see the window anymore. Here it is. And let's just go ahead and run it. Scan. Scan! There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, epilepsy warning, by the way. Okay, my sound's off. Interesting. I don't know if the antivirus is doing that or if the virus turns my sound off. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and turn off mouse integration just because. So now my mouse will actually move. As you can see, earlier my mouse was not moving, it was just a moving X, but now it is moving. So yeah, I don't know what's with the sound turned off. I don't know if that's just because of low RAM or low space, because it's, yeah, that's really weird. So it's loading its virus signature database, apparently. It looks like the attack scan cleaner on the top of my screen that used to be there is just completely gone. It was to the right of WannaCry, but now it looks like it's gone. So this is crazy, guys. I can't really see anything that's happening in the antivirus window because the virus just changed everything to say salinewin.exe. You can even see the start menu says saline. You can't really see it because that circle's in the way. But trust me, it's there. It even changed the buttons. Okay, so this is crazy. I can't even see anything now because of this effect. It looks like my mouse isn't really moving that much anymore. Scratch that, it is. I don't really know what to say here. This is kind of like, you know, nothing's really happening to my speakers right now. I don't know what's happening. So I don't know, maybe I'll try to go to Task Manager. Okay, I have to go to Task Manager for it to start for like a second. Even the error message says salinewin.exe. I'm pretty sure that's meant to say Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator. See, now you can kind of see. I mean, you probably can't because of this. I can kind of like see what's happening here though, and that's nice. It's still trying to load the malware database. I think that's just a, oh no. Okay, yeah, remember when I told you about low disk space? Yeah, it looks like I just got something for that in the system tray. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to uninstall this application after. This is just crazy. I mean, this is not, like, I don't think I can see anything that's happening. It still says loading virus signature database. Please wait. I don't even know if it's gonna get to scanning the files. It looks like my taskbar is going a bit crazy right now. Oh no, I dropped something. Ah! Okay, how is that notification just like immune to everything that's happening on screen? Like even my start menu is like being phased out, but the notification from the system tray that says low disk space is just completely unfazed. I can see the antivirus logo, that's like it's flashing every couple, like, half second. This is crazy. I can't even see anything anymore. How is that notification just immune to everything that's happening right now? Like, even my fans are running right now, like crazy. like on my real computer as well. Yeah, I don't know if this virus likes to like take up all your system resources, but I know the antivirus takes up only a gigabyte of my RAM on my virtual machine, and I have 2 gigabytes of RAM on my virtual machine. Actually, a bit over a gigabyte of RAM. That's what the antivirus takes up. Look at this. It's just unmuted. Oh my gosh.
Let me take a shower. I am disgusted.
Low disk space. Can I close out of this? It's gonna be hard because my mouse is like going crazier. Oh, sound's back. God. At the worst possible time too. Thanks for turning off. Oh, I almost got it. It hovered over the X. I'm using my mouse now. Oh, it's gone. It's been there for so long that it decided to disappear. This is crazy, man. I don't know. Dude, why are my fans going so crazy right now? It's never been this crazy running a virus. By the way, guys, I'll be rating these antiviruses on a scale of 1 to 10. I don't know what just happened now. I think it crashed. My mouse stopped for a second there. Start. Alright, let's see. Is the virtual machine still going to boot up when we start it back up? Windows setup. Okay. I think it broke the computer. I think it normally shows like an image, but I think it's because I still have that disk in. Setup is starting Windows. Okay, F3. Okay. Okay, now guys. So I think it's gonna boot the Windows setup again. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and close out of our VM and restore our snapshot so we can get on to the next antivirus. Alright guys, next up we are going to use Malwarebytes. I heard this one is a lot more well known than the other two ones, so we're going to go ahead and test it versus the WannaCry ransomware. Let's go ahead and open Malwarebytes. Gosh, it takes long to open. I don't know why it's all the way up here. It's going to be impossible to drag down. Bro, I can't drag the window down. I can't even move it to the right. I needed to move it to the right. That. No, that made it worse. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, whatever. Let's go ahead and close it and move this over here so I can execute it, right? Let's open Malwarebytes again. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. WannaCry. Scan now. Why is this opening? No! Oh my god. Okay, well, it looks like, this is scanning now. That's not English. I don't know what's happening. What is this? Okay, let's go ahead and turn off SMAT-AV. I don't know why it's, what happened there? What happened? Why did that happen? Scan now. Wait, I forgot to run it. I think the other antivirus killed it. Scan now. Alright, we're scanning. We got new files. Alright, this actually, I've heard this takes a while to scan, so I'm gonna go ahead and start a time lapse. Okay, we've detected so many threats. It looks like stop opening this. These are all just I don't know what that is. It's detecting. It's actually just. It looks like it's detecting more than WannaCry. Never mind. Wait, is it still scanning? No. Okay, that was actually pretty fast. So I don't know what this folder is. It says that a folder registry key. What's in the registry? It just says WannaCry as well though. What's this folder? It's in my app data. That's what it said. I think that's what it said. Let's go. It's probably a hidden file, so let's go ahead and enable that. Okay, documents and settings. It made a new file, which it looks like this is just the quarantine folder for the other antivirus. What's in my app data? It was this right here. Okay, what's in here? CloudNet? I don't know what CloudNet is. CloudNet protection. Bro, okay, hold on. Let's that is it. Malwarebytes. You looked at an empty folder and thought it was malware? Really, Malwarebytes? Really? You think a empty folder is malware? Yo, okay. I'm not quarantining this. What's in the registry though? This is a process. This is a full file. Dude, it detected so many stuff. Hold on, we gotta select all of these. That's crazy. Okay. Quarantine selected. I want to see if it can beat the virus though, because I just want to see if it can like close it and fix my computer. All right, this might take a while, so let's okay, let's time lapse this as well. Never mind. Oh, it's actually deleting all this as well. I don't want to restart, but okay. Is it going to fix the computer against the WannaCry ransomware? God, this is taking abnormally long. It normally just shuts down immediately. What's happening? Should I time lapse this as well? Alright, so it looks like it is not. Is it gonna be fixed? Are we gonna get it? This is just my other antivirus. I want to delete this so bad. And now Malwarebytes is opening? Oh no, why did it only quarantine 4? View report. Okay, I don't know what's with the, like, why did it think a normal folder, like an empty folder is malware? But it actually looks like it beat the WannaCry ransomware. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. So, Malwarebytes, I'm going to give it a 10. Even more than the other antivirus, even though it automatically did it, simply because this ransomware is actually more hard to remove. When I tried to remove these myself, I could not remove the WannaCry ransomware. Even safe mode wouldn't work. Not even system restore. My files were still encrypted. So, let me tell me in the comment section, what do you like better? The Petya ransomware or the WannaCry ransomware? I've put both of those videos on my YouTube channel. I've tested both of those, but wow, I did not expect this to do that. So I'll see you in like probably 30 minutes after I install a new antivirus. Next antivirus called Arakill, and this one's actually really weird because it doesn't have like a thing or like a UI interface. you just run it and it automatically terminates malware processes. This one is just really weird. I don't know what's going on with it. Every time I try to open it, it gives me this error, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. The reason my background looks like this is because I deleted a bunch of files for storage space, and for the, I don't know why this looks like this, so I'll go ahead and zoom in. So let's go ahead and run mems. And we're going to go ahead and run rkill afterwards. Oh. Okay, so I think it stopped it. Because it says mems. There's a lot of, I don't know why it's in the app data. Why would it be in the app data? I don't know. I'll go ahead and minimize this window, just so I can see what happened. Okay. Checking for processes to terminate. See documents and settings. Yeah, it did stop the, oh. Why is it opening twice? Okay, so it looks like it did end it. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it is still running if we open the task manager. And it is not. But the thing is, I don't want to terminate that. But the thing is, what happens if we restart? Because if you restart, apparently, then your computer's just cooked. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna restart. Okay, so it detected it, it just didn't remove it. So, yeah, MEMS might be a little bit more destructive than the others, but kind of disappointing. I mean, it got detected, but it just couldn't be removed. So that one I'll give it a 6 out of 10, simply because it's really good at detecting it, and it terminates the processes automatically. So, yeah. Alright guys, so the next antivirus that we have is SMAD-AV. For Clamwin, I'll probably give it a 1 out of 10. The reason I didn't give it a 0 out of 10 is because it's actually pretty good at detecting malware. But it's really good. Like, it has a lot of things in its database, but it wasn't it wasn't detecting. It was too slow. So okay, let's move on to the next one called SMAD-AV. I think I'm gonna run the Petya ransomware. I don't know what this is, dude. It has it's kind of slow. Sometimes, it's slow half the time, but the other time half the time it's also blazing speed. I'm not getting pro version. All right, so we're gonna scan the entire drive, and let's run the Petya ransomware, and then scan it immediately. Okay. I did not click scan, by the way. The computer system is infected? Okay, it detected it, I think. Yeah, it did detect it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it actually has a real-time protection thing. All my other antivirus just forces you to scan them. I actually didn't know that. So, okay, let's go ahead and clean all. I can't select all. Cool. Settings. Quarantine. Delete. Actually, you know what? I don't want it to delete it. Actually, I do. I'm not gonna. Wow. That was actually fat. I didn't even click scan. And it's not there anymore. That's actually really good. I'm gonna give that a 9.5 out of 10. The only thing I don't like about it is the color. I don't like how dark green that is. Alright, but anyways, that was all for that one. Let's go ahead and move on to the next antivirus.